very good morning to all students. Welcome back to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment 6, which is dated on 8th July 2020. So topic is a construction of quadrilateral exercise 3.6. So today we have to discuss about a few constructions based on the rhombus and the square. Okay. The first question is, construct a rhombus whose diagonal are 10 centimeters as well as 8 centimeter. Okay. So with the help of these two diagonals, so we have to construct a given rhombus. So out of these two, before going to that, first we have to draw a rough diagram. So based on the given measurement as two diagonals of a rhombus, the rough figure will be like this. Okay. So in order to start the main sketch, we have to take any one of the diagonal as a reference line segment. Okay. So better I will take this AC 8 centimeters as the line segment. First of all, we have to draw 8 centimeters as one length as a one line segment. 8 centimeters. Yes, that is AC, that is 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters as one of the line segment is one of the diagonal of a rhombus. So we don't know these all sides. For a given rhombus, all sides are equal, but we don't know that measurements. But we know those two diagonals. So in order to draw one more diagonal, first of all we have to draw perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector for this line segment AC. Okay, that can be possible by using compass. First of all, we have to take more than half as a radius. So this total is 8 centimeters. Better to take more than half as a radius. Draw one arc up and down, up and down, up and down with the same radius. Okay, again from point C as a radius, draw one more arc. Now point of these two intersection. Okay, first of all we have to draw a line which is passes through these 2 points. So this is exactly will passes through midpoint of the given line segment AC. Given line segment AC. It is exactly perpendicular to line segment AC. Now another diagonal is a 10 centimeter. So that what about the length from O to D? What is the length from O to D? It is nothing but what, 10 by 2. That will be 5 centimeter. Now we have to take point O as a center. With radius how much? 5 centimeter. With radius 5 centimeter. Take point O as a center with radius 5 centimeter. Draw one arc. Again point O as a center. Draw one more arc down. Now this point of intersection you can take it as point D, as well as this point of intersection you can take point B. How to join point C as well as B? Again point D as well as C. Similarly point D to A and A to B to form a rhombus ABC. Let's see how to join this rhombus. Yes. D to C, again C to B, C to B, again from A to B to form rhombus. Yes. So what about this one? 10 centimeters. Okay. The total length of diagonal is 10 centimeter. Half of we can take it as 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Hence we can construct the given rhombus based on the diagonals like this. After that we have to write the steps of construction. The first point you can write. So draw the rough figure and label it based on the given measurement of rhombus. And the second point you can write like this. Draw a line segment AC whose length is 8 centimeters, as well as take, first of all you have to draw perpendicular bisector for the length a line segment AC. Okay, take more than half as a radius. Draw one arc up and down. Again take point C as a radius, C as a center with the same radius. Draw one more arc. The point of intersection of these two arcs, it is nothing but what, if you draw a line which is passes through these 2 points, it will be exactly perpendicular to the given line segment AC. Exactly perpendicular to the given line segment AC. Now we know the one diagonal length is 8 centimeter. What about another diagonal length is 10 centimeter. Okay, so half of this one will become 5 centimeter. Take point O as a center with the radius 5 centimeter. Up and down 5 centimeter. Draw one arc. this arc will intersect, the point of intersection of this arc as well as this ray, this line. That point you have to take it as what? Point D. Similarly, draw one more arc with radius 5 centimeter. So now the point of intersection of this arc as well as this line can be taken as point B. Now you have to join all these 4 points to form a rhombus based on the given diagonal 10 centimeter as well as 8 centimeter. So let us see the second question. Construct a square with a diagonal 6 centimeter. So what are the properties of a square? All sides are equal and two diagonals also equal. Okay, and those two are perpendicular to each other. First of all, he has given what is the length of the diagonal is 6 centimeter. So before going to that, first of all we have to draw rough figure based on the given measurement. Will be like this. Okay, coming to main construction, we have to take a line segment AC, or else the diagonal of a square we have to take 6 centimeters. That is a reference line segment. First of all, we have to draw line segment whose length is 6 centimeter. Whose length is 6 centimeter. Yes, that is how much? AC, 6 centimeters as a length. Okay. Now we have to, in order to draw one more diagonal of a square, we have to draw perpendicular bisector for the length line segment AC. Okay. So similarly, same thing you have to take more than half as a radius. Consider point A as the center. For example, if this total is 6 centimeter, take more than half and draw an arc up and down, up and down. The same with the same radius, point C as the center, draw one more arc up and down, the point of intersection. So we'll get the 2 points now. Now you have to join these 2 points with the help of scale. Now this line exactly perpendicular to the given line segment AC. So it is nothing but what? Perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Okay. Now, for example, the total diagonal length of the diagonal is 6 centimeter. From what about the length from O to D? It is 3 centimeter. That is 3 centimeter. Down also 3 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to take point O as a center. With the radius how much? 3 centimeter. Draw an arc up and down. Okay. With the 3 centimeters you have to draw. Yes. 3 centimeters you have to draw a line, draw arc up and down. Yes. One arc up as well as down also. Now point of intersection of this arc as well as the line is nothing but what? Point D. Again from this also you have to take it as point D. Now you have to join all these 4 points to form a square. Join these points. Yes, it is a side BC and the side CD as well as the side AB as well as side AD. Okay. Hence, this is the construction of a square ABCD with the diagonal same. Diagonal as how much is given? 6 centimeters. After that, you can write steps of construction as draw the rough figure and label it based on the given measurement. The second one, take line segment AC or diagonal AC as a line segment, reference segment, that is whose length is 6 centimeter. Draw perpendicular bisectors of line segment AC. Again, from point O, take 3 centimeters as a radius with center as O. Draw an arc up and down, up and down. Now the point of intersection of this arc as well as the line. Again, point of intersection of this arc as well as this line is nothing but what? Point D as well as point B respectively. Now how to join all these 4 points to form a square ABCD with a diagonal 6 centimeters. Hence we can construct the given square based on the diagonal 6 centimeter. Let us see third question, multiple choice type of questions. A parallelogram having all sides equal and each angle equal to right angle. Each angle equal to right angle. Okay. So which option is the right option? So first of all, what about the rhombus? In case of rhombus, all sides are equal, but need not be a right angle. What about this one? Rectangle. If a rectangle, all sides are not equal, only opposite sides are equal. So that this option is also wrong. Go for the trapezium. What about the trapezium? All sides are not equal. Okay. So if you take this square, all sides are equal as well as each angle is equal to right angle. So that I can go with what? Option D. Option D, square, is the right option. Next, the fourth question, a parallelogram having all sides equal. All sides are equal means what? if you take this rectangle, what about that rectangle? Only opposite sides only equal. So length and breadth both are different in case of rectangle. So that if you take this one rhombus, what about the rhombus? It is a parallelogram with all sides are equal. With all sides are equal with the different diagonals. So that option B is the right option for this question. So today these are the assignment questions. Assignment questions. We have to discuss 4 questions based on the construction of quadrilateral from exercise 3.6. Thank you.